guys, happy Monday and happy Halloween. We got something fun in the mail today. And we got Disney's thank you for coming. And we got a picture of Minnie Mouse, or a drawing of Minnie Mouse. Last June when we went, we got Mickey Mouse. So now we got Minnie and Mickey. Yes! So, today's Halloween. We got no plans. And there's Allie. What are you doing, Allie?
Paper Mario.
She's addicted to Paper Mario. She won't do anything else.
Holarchy.
So, but that's how we got for you today.
Hi guys. I'm trying to make the bed and these guys decided they wanted to help. This little girl is hyperactive. And this one tried to eat the sheets. See what they do. Speedy's just a brat. Peanut, what you doing?
Hey guys, hope everyone had a happy Halloween. We're at the gas station getting gas now. Then we're gonna go get something to eat. Probably just go to like Hardee's or Arby's or something. And I thought I'd just jump in and say hi. So hi guys, how's your Halloween going? Ours is going okay. We slept till 1, like we always do. Got tomorrow off. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty nice. And I'll go from there. So hope you guys enjoy. It's dark out. It's only 6 o'clock.
6:06.
6 o'clock. Do you know where? They are only 5 o'clock. I think they got their time wrong.
Either that or they switched it already.
Is the courthouse. That looks creepy at night. Downtown.
That looks creepy at night.
Half the lights aren't on. And people don't know how to go to the speed limit. People. Now we gotta stop for a light because people don't know how to go to the speed limit.
Are you complaining?
Very much so. There's Allie.
Scariest costume of all.
Yes, she's herself for Halloween today. Where are we gonna go eat?
Hardee's.
Holiday Inn?
Okay, then.
Really? They got fireworks on their sign. Right there, see them? Probably not. This is our dull little town.
I yawned, it was so dull.
So, we'll stop for the train.
But there's no train.
But there's no train. maybe you should turn around.
I don't want to risk it though. Especially with other people around.
Hey guys, so after the ghost train, we turned around and went back home and watched some TV and went to bed. So
I got
thank
one
you for
trick-or-treater.
Allie got one trick-or-treater. So thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Subscribe if you're new. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.